In this video, I will be picking up where we left off in the previous one. So as as I as I said in the last video, I was going to finish off the laces and kind of conform them to this tongue. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the tongue turn the tongue transparency off. And we're just going to check, make sure that nothing's poking through. Okay, well, right here. So one way you can do that is I can take my edge tool, select these, connect, or I can do a swift loop, and now I can pull this up a little bit, twist it as needed, and just like so. Now I notice this part here looks really thin, so I'm going to go ahead and move this to give it some thickness again, just by moving some. You can move the vertex around, or you can move the edges around, but what we're going to do is just give this a little more volume. So like so. Yes, when we are twisting all these shapes around, we do start to kind of lose our lose some of the volume there from time. Just like when you're twisting a shoelace, and you're some parts of the shoelace can be a little more twisted than others. But the goal is to try to keep these shoelaces looking as flat as possible. Okay. So now we have that done. We now want to make sure that these, so when they go, now that we made sure they aren't run into the tongue, we'll make sure they're not run into this portion right here. This, as I called it, the lace strap. So the part where the laces actually go into on the side, we want to make sure that it is clear when it's going over. It's actually going over, and not just going through on top of, or as you can see right here, it's breaking right to the top. Now the one that's going under, that's fine, that's what we want. The one that is going over, we want to actually clear. So I'm going to turn my, I can turn off my tongue. Now I'm going to turn on the lace, or the lace straps on the either side, and I'm going to go back to I'm actually retitle this line to lace. So with my selection tools, I will go through and just make sure that I can keep where I'm keeping these all clear, as you can see there. And actually, since I have the selection tool right now, I want to clean this up. I just don't like how this one looks right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that real quickly. And you may find some areas just need some adjustments. And that's perfectly fine if that's the case. So let's see. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to weld this edge right there. So now we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side polygon, which we do not like. So I'm going to break. Oops, sorry about that. Let's select this. I'm going to give us a little bit of a chamfer. That might be okay. And I'm going to see how. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and Okay. Okay. So for now, that's going to be good. So remember, the goal of this portion is just to clear the. We want to make sure we clear that right there. And you might need to add some extra geometry. Seems to be a good way to do it. We want to preserve the shapes we've made so far, so I don't want to do too much that's going to affect the interaction right there. I want to do enough that it can pull away from the lace strap there. So you see here we have the, oops. Okay. So I do have local. I'm going to try view and see if that helps me a little bit here as far as my coordinate system goes. It seems to do a little bit, and so you switch between your coordinate system may help you from time to time. Make sure that it's whatever is best for your situation. Okay, that looks like it's almost cleared. Okay. And so again, this is a tedious process as spoken in the last video. So what I'm going to do here is I will pause this video and then I will resume it once I have once I've completed this task, which is just making sure that it clears this lace strip. So once I've done that, I will continue the video from there.